Hi everyone, welcome back to Anatomy with Amanda. This week we will be discussing the digestive system. Now for those of you who don't know, the digestive system is going to help us process food in our body and help us break it down so we can use it as energy. So we need energy for everything that we do. We need energy to walk, talk, go to school, hang out with our friends. So it's very important that we eat, and it's very important that our digestive organs are working properly so they can do what they're supposed to. So today we are going to discuss the functions of these organs and the other parts of the digestive system. So let's get right into that. So let's begin with our mouth. Our mouth contains 3 different digestive organs. It contains our teeth, our tongue, and our salivary glands. We can't see these, but this is just what's going to help secrete saliva or spit, which is going to help break down our food that we put in our mouth. So once it is all chewed, it's going to be called what is a bolus. It's just a little ball of whatever we just ate, and then it's going to be swallowed, and it's going to enter our esophagus. Our esophagus is going to push the food through a process called peristalsis. It's going to go boop, 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 boop. It's going to push it all the way down into the stomach. In the stomach is where the food is going to begin getting broken down. And then once it's all done in the stomach, it's going to enter the small intestine. In the small intestine, this is where the food is absorbed into the bloodstream. Well, not necessarily the food, but the nutrients from the food. So this is going to be things like our carbohydrates, which is going to give us a lot of energy. That's our primary source of energy. It's also going to break down our proteins and our fats. Once all of the food is broken down and everything that's taken from the food is absorbed, then it's going to enter the large intestine, where it's going to go through a bigger tube. It's a big fat tube. It's going to go around our small intestine, and that is where it's going to be being prepared to be eliminated from our body through our rectum. So let's look at a picture of this to get a better understanding. So let's take a look at the digestive system in a picture. So we have our mouth, teeth, tongue. We also have our salivary glands, which are going to be below the tongue here and above the mouth here. That's going to be in our cheeks on either side. We have our pharynx, which is our throat, the back of our throat. And then the food's going to enter the esophagus. And then it's going to enter the stomach, where it's going to begin getting digested. After it's done getting digested, we are going to see it enter the duodenum, which is this area right here. And then we have the jejunum and the ileum. And the ileum we can see right here, and it's going to connect to the large intestine. So after the nutrients is absorbed in the food, it's going to enter the large intestine. We have the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and the sigmoid colon here. And then it is going to enter the rectum and then the anus, where it could be expelled from the body. Now, there are a bunch of organs I did not talk about. We have our liver. Our liver is going to filter blood, so if any bad nutrients enter our bloodstream, it is going to be filtered out in the liver and then enter the lymphatic system. The gallbladder, this is going to store a digestive enzyme called bile, and bile is a digestive enzyme, and this is just going to help break down food. And then we have our pancreas, which will break down the materials of the food with the pancreatic juices. So thank you for watching. I hope that everybody learned something new, and if anybody has any questions, please feel free to comment them, or if you have any suggestions for a new topic to discuss, please comment those as well. Stay tuned for next time. Bye bye.